It all started as a joke. 1 year ago today, I posted this silly TikTok with 50 followers or so, and I called it a fat test. Fat testing rides at Disney. Animal Kingdom edition. It's tough to be a bum. I'd seen some people do plus size testing and all this stuff on YouTube, and I decided, let's do it a little differently and try to call it just what it is, a fat test. That started something I never expected. I now have 90,000 people following me on TikTok, 42,000 on Facebook, and I just got 2,000 subscribers and monetized on YouTube. It's been a crazy year. And it cost a lot of money. In this video, I'm going to talk about how I try to make money as a Disney content creator, fat testing rides all over the world, and how I'm trying to pay for that, because it's expensive. Now, obviously, TikTok is my main platform still. So let's talk about how TikTok pays. It doesn't. Well, not well. I finally turned on monetization a couple of months ago, and I've made a total of $210.
One last thing for you. Tell them to bring me my money.
Most days I make between $1 and $3, depending on how many views I get. My highest day was $15, and I can always tell the days I'm going to make the most on TikTok, because when my videos do well, that means I get a lot of hate.
Let the hate flow through you.
And I mean a lot. I've had one paid sponsor, that was TreeCard, and when I first got TreeCard, I was not sure if it was something I actually wanted as a sponsor. I don't consider myself much of an environmentalist, but I do believe in doing good with business. And so they sent me this wooden card to test out. And the way it works is it's a debit card. So what's so special about that? Oh, it's a wooden card. That's cool. What else? Well, the thing that made this work really well for my channel is that every 10,000 steps I take, I also happen to plant a tree. And you also get rewards and other stuff. But I thought that was really cool, because if you are somebody trying to lose weight or you go to a lot of theme parks, guess what? You walk a lot. So I was really proud to work with TreeCard, because almost every day at a theme park I was planting 2 trees. And now in just over 4 months, I have planted 120 trees with TreeCard. I thought that was pretty awesome. And they've been cool enough to sponsor 2 videos and really help me out with those. Love working with these guys. I've also had 2 gifted sponsorships. One with Hojo Anaheim, which sponsored me in my Disneyland trip. They were absolutely phenomenal. Really enjoyed working with them. And hopefully I've sent them a lot of business. My video actually did better than most of my normal videos, because I thought it was pretty funny.
I think it's safe to say Howard Johnson's Anaheim is fat tested approved. I don't know how I'm getting out of this sentence.
On TikTok, that actually got over 40,000 views so far. So I think they got good representation with that. I try, when I work with my sponsors, I want to go above and beyond, because I want long-term relationships. That's why I'm so happy that TreeCard has worked with me twice. I've already earned more nights with Hojo Anaheim, and I look forward to going back there. Another gifted opportunity actually was a gift that I sought out because I needed a Christmas gift for my mom. I still have it. Partially because I think it's cool, and partially just because I've not made it home. Yes, this is my Sab Neo lightsaber. It does sounds, it changes color, it's amazing, and it's pretty sturdy. My content continues to grow. I hope to reach out to other possible sponsorships, especially some that would help pay for trips to theme parks I don't normally go to. And then they will get a lot of short video sponsorships, one on each ride, which is, say, like Dollywood would be 50 rides. And then they would also obviously get the long form sponsorship as well. And then I'm reaching out to some other food preparation and meal places I'm working on, especially as somebody that's lost 90 pounds. This is not just about fat testing. It's also a health journey that people are joining me on. So places like Factor or HelloFresh, I'm hoping can come on as sponsorships or something to those effects. Now, my biggest expense and my biggest income has come from my course. I have always wanted to create an online course. I believe that creating info products is a phenomenal way to provide value. And I will be perfectly honest, almost everything in there I do for free on my other content. The only difference is that it's packaged a little differently. It's some spreadsheets, it's some graphics. That's really the only difference, but it is all compact and in a better flow relationship than what you're going to find on social media. So I created a small $7 course, and then it has some upsells in there. One that's done fairly well is a full, more in-depth walkthrough of the parks, where I go more, they go through each ride, and it's more than I would normally do on other walkthroughs. And then then there's another couple of upsells. One I've only sold one of, that's a consultation. That's $97, where I actually will sit down and help someone for an hour plan their entire trip, answer any questions they may have after they've gone through the rest of my material. And I think I really helped one. We went through, what do you do at 7 a.m. every day, how to plan your day out. You're already spending a fortune at the theme parks. We might as well make sure you get the most out of it. And then the final one that's not sold yet, but we'll see what happens, is actually where I take and do an entire day guiding you through the parks. It's kind of like a much cheaper version of VIP without the VIP access. Except you get me. So what's the future hold? I don't know yet. I'm still looking. I'm always looking for new ways to monetize, to create value, to give you something to buy. So I'm going to tell you something that I don't talk about a lot. I love business. I love marketing. I love creating ideas and finding value where we can exchange something of value for money. I love capitalism. I know that's not sexy to say anymore, but I love a free market system where I can create something, and if you enjoy it, you can voluntarily give me money.
It's my money and I need it now!
It's my money and I need it now!
I think that's awesome. Fat testing rides at Disney.
Say thank you, 1,000 followers. And we got stuck. That's another no here in the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Cool, I'm over 10,000 followers.
I just had 4 drinks at Olga's, but of course I'm going to do Aliens Whirling Saucers. It's my favorite ride.
Hey Jason, you've lost 75 pounds. What are you planning on doing?
I'm going to Disneyland.
It's time to get our swing on.
I don't know how I'm getting out of this seat.
Yeah, it just looks like the restraint isn't locking in place.
I hope that we never lose sight of one thing. That was all started by
Fat test.
Thank you very much.
Referrals, all those links are down below, of course, for Tree Card, for the Sab Neo lightsaber, for Howard Johnson's. You can save money on all of them by using the referral links and codes below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. It's different content than I usually make, but like I said, I love business. I love talking about this stuff, so I might throw one of these in here from time to time. I did just apply to be monetized officially on YouTube, so maybe I'll do a video on how that's going in a month or so. But let me know what you think, and also what other content would you like to see from Fat Tested Travel. Thanks so much, guys, for following me. It's been an amazing year. If you don't know, I'm 90 pounds down from my highest weight as well. This has been just a joy to get to know you guys and to create this content. And if you want to know more, make sure to check out this playlist of walkthroughs of all the parks.